Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your grocery list with AnyList, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate your grocery list with AnyList, first, download and install the AnyList app from your device's app store. Open the app and create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, tap on the grocery list feature on the home screen. To start adding items, tap the Add Item button. You can type in the name of the grocery item, and the app will suggest related items. Select the item from the suggestions to add it to your list. Next, organize your grocery list by creating categories for different sections like produce, dairy, and snacks. To add a new category, tap on Edit at the top of the screen and then select Add Category. Once your categories are set up, you can drag and drop items into their respective sections for better organization. Now, let's automate your list for future use. Tap on the Settings icon, usually located in the top corner of the home screen. In the Settings menu, look for List Automation. Enable the Auto-Suggest Items feature to receive suggestions based on your past. You can also set up recurring grocery lists by tapping on Recurring Reminders in the settings. Choose how often you want the reminders, whether weekly or monthly. After setting up reminders, return to your grocery list and select the items you purchase regularly. This allows AnyList to learn your shopping habits and suggest items automatically. To share your grocery list with family or friends, go back to the main grocery list screen and tap on the Share option. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the list with. They will receive an invitation to view and edit the list. Finally, familiarize yourself with the recipe feature, which lets you add items to your grocery list directly from recipes. Simply tap on a recipe to view its ingredients and add them to your list with a single tap. With these steps complete, you're now set to efficiently automate your grocery list with AnyList. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.